Good morning, good evening, good intro. I don't do anywhere near as well as Luke. Welcome to our very first programming challenge. So, we will be building a very simple program that just tells knock-knock jokes. The knock-knock jokes are not that funny, but the idea is we kind of see how all the concepts that we've covered over recent weeks can be applied in an actual program, and then you can use that to reference later on when you're building all sorts of other different other projects later on. And then in later weeks, we're going to kind of build on this and add some more features, make it more robust, more interesting. So I've got the code running now, and it's given me knock knock. So I would respond with, "Who's there?" Candice. Candice who? Candice joke get any worse? It's really not that funny. But it does cover every concept that we've looked at over recent weeks. So real world applications of the stuff that we've learned. So we can use that later on. So I get this is probably really hard and you probably have absolutely no idea where to kind of start with this. So to kind of combat this, I've made you a little template that you can kind of follow that kind of indicates to you what you should be doing at each point. So you kind of get a rough idea of how the program should be structured. You find this by joining our Discord, link wherever Luke decides to put it, giving him plenty of options with my hand. And once Luke or I have given you member roles, you should be able to see all the channels in general, one of which will be the Coding Challenges channel. So if you navigate to the Coding Challenges, the first message that you should see pinned to the top of the screen is this message with a link to download knockknocktemplate.py. So when you download this, you should be able to see jump cut, this program. So this is a version of the code that I've removed a lot of the elements. Conveniently, the elements that we've taught you in the previous lessons. And in their place are comments that kind of tell you what you should be doing. And that way you can go back and look at the previous video and kind of find out what syntax is missing. Everything that we taught in the previous lessons you should be able to find. So you can kind of fill in the blanks and get the finished code. So that's pretty much it. If you guys get stuck, Luke and I will be on hand to help in the Discord. We really encourage you guys to kind of collaborate on this. So if you guys want to get together and try and solve this, that's amazing. We really love to hear that. There are voice channels on the Discord that you can use to collaborate. Luke and I will be hanging out in there as well. So yeah, there's plenty of opportunity to kind of get help for this, and we really just want this to be a positive kind of learning experience for you guys. So best of luck. Remember, most important thing, always ask for help if you need it.